Hey Rose family, it's your Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, we are doing another foundation wear test. I have quite a few coming up. I think I'm just going to create like a whole playlist, and I will try to leave it linked down below so you guys can see what other foundations I have done wear test for and my shade. So with that being said, the foundation that we are testing out today is from Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus foundation. I have mine in the shade Caramel. And this is the one that comes with a spatula. And I do have this foundation already. I have this foundation in the shade Desert Beige. As you can see, they look a bit similar, but this one is a bit deeper, the new one that I got, and matches me much better. For some reason, must not be like my undertone because it looks super light when I use it, but I'm almost done with that one anyways, and it's probably expired. So I just got this yesterday. It was between this shade and the shade Toffee. They look really similar, but you know, stay tuned to see my thoughts on the shade match or whatever. But yeah, if you're interested to see how this wears and whatnot, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Pond's Nourishing Moisturizer. And I apply a decent amount of this because I noticed that with the majority of the foundations I use with this, it leaves me with a nice, healthy glow. With any moisturizer, you just really want to rub it in. Make sure you get it all over. I'm combo, but mainly like oily, especially my T-zone. So you definitely want to moisturize, even if you are oily. Now for primer, I'm going in with the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I believe this is like a sample size. And, you know, apply a decent amount of primer as well. I always make sure to get on the sides of my nose because it can get cakey if you don't, you know, get your primer in there or moisturizer. Okay, and now I'm just going to go in with the foundation. Again, this is in the shade Caramel. I'm not sure if I said that, but yeah, it's 374C Caramel. I did have this foundation, but I never filmed a wear test for it, so I figured why not. So I'm just going to use the spatula and apply it. This is such a better shade match. I'm going to use the Morphe M439 brush to blend that out. I could use a sponge, but I really don't want to get up and wet one and stuff, so. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the perfect shade match for me. You have no idea how exciting it is to find the perfect shade match. Like, this foundation has a very heavy paint like scent to it, so you just want to, you know, keep that in mind if you don't like scent on your foundation or if you're sensitive to it. So, oh my god. Okay, so this is like the second foundation that I found that is a perfect match to me. And again, you know, it depends on the season because, you know, some people have tans, but this is like my natural color for me, I think. So I love when I found a perfect match. This looks freaking great. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in freaking love. Yes. So it looks super hydrating. That is, of course, because of the primer and moisturizer that I use, because the first time I tried this, it didn't look this glowy, if you know what I mean. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. And yeah. And I'm going to use the same brush. So first I'm going to blend out the outsides. Okay, now that my dark circles are covered up and all my imperfections, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Light Medium 20. And I'm just going to put this everywhere I put concealer. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. And I'm going to put this everywhere I didn't apply loose highlighter. And I'm also going to dust away the excess powder from the loose one. So just dip in. I go over lightly with the pressed powder wherever I put loose powder, just to make everything look more cohesive, no harsh lines. You know the deal. So you can still see the glow through the powder, which I love. I never like to look too dry because then it looks uber cakey at the end. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera and then I will be right back. Okay, so it is currently 1:40, but I had the foundation on around like 1:10, so we're just gonna call it since 1. How about that? So this is the completed look. Everything blended out super nice over it. My highlight, my bronzer, my blush, everything looks super good, and I still look super healthy. Like I can still see that nice natural flawless glow through the foundation with the powder and everything. So I'm going to try to keep you guys updated throughout the day. I'm going to try to at least get a 5-hour wear test. It might be longer, but if it is longer, I probably will just do a voiceover at the end because my boyfriend gets out of work at 5 and he'll be home by 6. So at 6, it should be like a 5 or 6 hour point in the word test, you know? So if I keep it going past 6, I will just do a voiceover. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. And let me just come up close. Yeah, I know I need to get my eyebrows done, but don't mind that. So yeah, I will see you guys in a few. Okay, so it is currently 3 o'clock and that is 2 hours into the wear test. My foundation is still looking flawless. A little close up, I did add a bit more highlight, but I'm not getting oily anywhere, so there's that. And yeah, I will see you guys at my next update. So it is currently 4:34. I've had this foundation on since 1. that means we're at 3.5 hours of wear, and it is still looking pretty good. I must say I am super impressed so far. I haven't touched up on anything except for my lippy because I just had some banging ass shrimps and like butter garlic sauce with cucumbers. It tastes like a freaking bomb ass salad. I'm gonna insert a picture right here or whatever, but it was delicious. But the butter was getting all over my lips, so I mean, if the foundation looks like it wore off around my mouth, that is why. But besides that, it's holding up pretty well. Also on my chin too, because I did wipe off whatever excess stuff got on my chin when I was eating, because when it comes to seafood, I don't really care. I will tear it up. I will tear it up, sis, because seafood is life, baby. Okay. So yeah, I am absolutely loving this foundation. If you haven't tried it, then baby girl, what are you doing? You need to try this foundation ASAP. Okay. And I don't know if I said this in the intro, outro, or prior to this clip, but it is less than $5 at Walmart. Like, are you kidding me? This foundation is less than $5 and it looks this good. I mean, there's higher end foundations that don't even look this good at a 3.5 hour mark. So, like I said, you need to go try this hidden gem right here. Okay. So yeah, I will probably do my next update around 5:30. So that'll leave us at a 4.5 hour mark. So I will be right back. So this is what the foundation looks like with flash. Excuse the background noise. I'm in the living room and my son's tent watching cartoons with him. Say hi. Say hi. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what the foundation looks like with flash. My living room is completely dark, so this is just straight up flash. So I'll try to zoom in. Hey. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next clip. So it is currently 7:32, which means we are at the 6.5 hour mark, and I think that is all I'm going to be doing for today. I'm ready to take this beat off. So yeah, it still hasn't gotten oily. Like, I can see it is a bit oily here and right here, but that is about it. So overall, I give this foundation a 10. I think it held up for 6.5 hours pretty well. And yeah, I highly recommend. So I will see you guys in the outro. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think. Do you like the way it looks? Do you think the match is okay? Have you tried it? Do you like it? What are your thoughts? Anything you want to comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!